Hello, Assalamualaikum. Very good morning. My name is Muhammad Anwar bin Muhammad Alim Chan. My number metric is 33DPE19F1018. So I'm in program DPE5A. My lecturer name is Muhammad Haris bin Mat Saleh. So today I want to present about bar graph and line graph. So uh, bar graph is a chart that plots data using rectangular bars or columns it called bins that present the total amount of observation in the data for that categories. Bar chart can be displayed with vertical columns, horizontal bar, comparative bar, multiple bar is to show a comparison between values, or stack bar containing multiple type of information. Bar graphs are commonly used in financial analysis for displaying data. A stock value, a stock volume chart is a commonly used type of vertical bar graph. A histogram is an example of a bar graph used in statistical analysis that depicts a probability distribution in some data or sample. So, definition of line graph. Line, a line graph is a type of chart used to show information that changes over time. We plot line graph using several points connected by straight lines. We also call it a line chart. The line graph comprises of two axes known as x-axis and y-axis. A line graph known as a line plot or a line chart is a graph that uses line to connect individual data points. A line graph displays quantitative values over a specified time interval. So next, this is graph that this is a graph for line graph. The title is Hectares, Forested and Non-Forested Areas in Johor. So in years 2000, the hectares forested is 474,065. So non-forested 1.42 million in 2001. For hectares forested for 474 657. So for non-forested 1.42 million. In 2002, forested value is 474,000, and non-forested 1.42 million also. In 2003, hectares forested is 474,000, and non-forested 1.42 million somethings. In 2004, forested is 472,000, in and non-forested 1.42 millions. In 2005, for 493,000, and non-forested is 1.40 million. In 2006, 55 forested 508,000, and non-forested is 1.39 million. In 2007, for 490,000, non-forested is 1.4 1 1.4 1.4 million. And 2008 is 441,000. Non-forested is 1.45 million. In years 2009, forested is 468,000, and non-forested is 1.43 million. And last, 2010, forested is 467,000, and non-forested is 1.3 million. And this is line graph. Okay, you see. Okay, so next graph is a bar graph. So the title of bar is that by state sex age group in Malaysia. So age group, we have 10 group. For the first group, 1 until 4 age. At female, 6,400, and female is 6,820. And next, age 5 until 9 years old, female have 6,200, and female 6,400. And next, 10 until 14 years old, female has 6,600, and male 6,800. In 15 until 19 years old, female has 7,000, and male is 7,700. So in 20 until 24, female has 6,500, and male 7,600. And age 30 until 34, female have 7,100, and female 7,105. 40 until 44, female 6,900, and male 7,400. And lastly, for 45 until 49, female 7,200, and male 7,300. And this downside is bar graph, bar chart. Okay, you can see this. This is have 10 categories. Okay, so next, the conclusion is from the graph shown above. It's called graph and line graph. What can we observe here is the movement of the trends in every years. Beside raw data, using graph easier and more significant because it's easy to compare and compile all the data. Graphs are a common method to visually illustrate relationship in the data. The purpose of a graph is to present data that are too numerous or complicated to be described adequately in the text and in less space. If the data shows pronounced trend or reveals relation between variables, a graph should be used to explain the difference. If the data doesn't show any significant trend in the evidence, a graph is not the figure of choice. Okay, thank you.